About this item: headphone 2-in-1 Bluetooth transmitter and receiver in the transmitter, TX, mode. This Bluetooth audio adapter can convert TV/PC/CD player/iPod/MP3/MP4 into a Bluetooth transmitter. In the receiver, RX, mode, receiver lets non-Bluetooth devices like your home stereo or AV receiver and wirelessly stream music from your cell phone/PC with 3.5mm auxiliary cable. Headphone low latency and intelligent noise reduction tech. Our Bluetooth audio receiver premium low latency chip and Bluetooth 5.0 tech adopts the latest CVC 8.0 noise cancellation and digital signal processor (DSP) technologies, which can eliminate echo and block out intrusive background noise, such as wind, traffic, or crowds. Providing you with crystal clear calling sounds. Warm tip: the transmission distance should be within 32 feet. Headphone LCD visual screen portable Bluetooth transmitter. Adopt unique visual screen design will show whether the product is in TX mode or RX mode. It is convenient to choose the Bluetooth devices to connect, up to 8 nearby devices. And this visible Bluetooth transmitter 3.5mm audio adapter can also show the pairing mode/status, battery, volume, etc. Headphone up to 10 hours of battery life. The working time of this auxiliary Bluetooth adapter is up to 10 hours when making calls or playing music. And it takes only 2.5 hours to fully charge the device by using a Type-C fast charging cable, included in the package. In addition, this